Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can download and access mobile apps in your computer. In this tutorial I am going to use the MSI emulator. MSI is a famous computer parts company. MSI and Bluestack together developed the MSI emulator. It is one of the best Android emulator which is available now. First open your browser and search for MSI App Player. Now click on the first link and get into the official website of the MSI App Player. Click on Download. Now open your File Explorer and go to the Download section. Extract the downloaded file. Click on Install. It takes 5 to 10 minutes for installation depending upon your network speed. Meanwhile, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Once the emulator is open, sign in with your Google account. This is to open an account in the Google Play Store. Enter your phone number or email address here. Enter the password and sign into Google Play Store. Now you can download any apps in the Google Play Store. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video.